How to set up your Snugg chair. If you're setting up a Loveseat or sofa, check out that how-to video. Your Snugg chair will arrive in multiple boxes with the inserts and covers. Start with the box containing the seat frame set. Inside, you'll find the back insert, beam insert, suspension lid, storage sling, slow close mechanism, 16 felt pads, 4 feet, 4 pins, and 4 thumb screws. Move onto the arm insert set box and remove the arms. Find the box with your cushion set containing your seat cushion and back pillow and take them out. Once you've removed all the contents, you're ready to start putting covers on your inserts. Grab your back insert and back cover to begin. Both are labeled for easy identification. With the shorter side of the cover facing the beam brackets, align the top 4 corners and pull the cover over the beam, ensuring all seams are straight. Secure the cover on the sides of the beam first, ensuring none of the fabric extends into the raised connection area. Then attach the top strip on the cover. Flip the beam over and secure the cover on the bottom. Let's move onto the back insert and cover. With the shorter side of the cover towards the brackets on the back, align the top 4 corners of the cover with the insert and pull the cover down. Ensure all the seams are aligned, then secure the top strip of the cover to the insert. Like the beam, make sure the fabric does not extend into the connection area or your Snugg chair will not come together properly. Then attach the cover on the front side of the back. Flip the insert over and secure the cover to the bottom. Now let's cover the seat cushions. Position the cover over the seat cushion insert so that the zippers end up on the same side and the edges are aligned. Carefully zip the cover closed, smoothing the fabric as you go to ensure it stays wrinkle-free. Tuck the zipper pull into the pocket. Next, you'll cover the back pillow. Insert the back pillow into the back pillow cover, making sure the label on the pillow is at the bottom. Zip the cover closed. And now for the arms. Each arm cover is labeled with left arm or right arm. Make sure you are using the correct cover for each. Align the top 4 corners and pull the cover over the arm, ensuring the top is tight. Secure the cover to the strip at the top of the arm, ensuring the cover does not extend into the connection area. Continue to secure the strips down the arm, aligning corners and edges. Once all seams and edges are straight, secure the ends of the cover to the insert. Flip the arm over, pull the cover tight to align the seams and edges, then secure the strip to the bottom of the insert. After that, gather your feet and your beam. Lay the beam flat on the ground, partially insert the pin, which is connected to the top of the foot, into one of the holes on the bottom of the beam. Align the pre-installed foot peg with the hole on the foot and press down firmly until the foot is secure. Repeat the same steps so both feet are installed. Add felt pads as needed. From here, you can install the feet on the back. Follow the same steps you used for the beam. Insert the pin, align the foot peg, and press it firmly into place. Stand the back and beam parallel to each other. Use an arm to help gauge how far apart the back and beam should be from one another. Insert 1 steel pin into each of the 4 sockets, 2 on the side of the beam and 2 on the side of the back. Be sure the pin orientation is correct. Now, we'll connect the arms. Determine the left side of your Snugg chair by identifying your left as if you were seated. Then, locate the arm labeled left arm. Align the sockets on the left arm with the steel pins on the beam and back, then slide it into place. Once that's set, locate the arm labeled right arm. Align the sockets on the right arm with the steel pins on the beam and back, then slide it into place. Insert and tighten the frame using the thumb screws inside each corner bracket. There are 4 in total. Grab your storage sling and unfold it, then lay it inside the frame. Align one strip on the storage sling with the strip on the back and press firmly to secure. Align the other strip on the storage sling with the strip on the beam and press to secure. Next, locate the slow close mechanism. Attach the socket on the thin end of the slow close mechanism to the peg on the beam's corner bracket. Press firmly until it clicks into place. Standing behind the EverCouch and holding the handle towards you, slide the suspension lid into the bracket hooks on the back to secure. Attach the thick end of the slow close mechanism to the peg on the bottom of the suspension lid by aligning the socket and pressing firmly to click it into place. Then, close the lid. Grab your seat cushion and place it on the suspension lid. Add your back pillow, then sit back and enjoy your Snugg chair.